In this problem, we are looking for the values of a and b. So here, looking at the question, here we have a squared plus 2ab plus b equals to 22. Here we have a squared plus, you can see that b is common to both sides. Then you can factor that out. In the parentheses, you're going to have 2a plus 1 equals to 22. Then the next thing to do here is to multiply this given equation by 2. If you do that, here you're going to have 2a squared plus 2b into parentheses 2a plus 1 equals to 44. So here you can have a squared. I'm going to introduce plus a negative a. So here plus a negative a plus 2b into parentheses 2a plus 1 equals to 44. If you look at these two, they can possibly cancel out, whereby you have this given equation back, the previous equation back. So I intentionally introduce those variables just to factorize out. So looking at these two terms here, you can factor out a, and in the parentheses you're going to be left with 2a plus 1. Here we have from here plus 2b into parentheses 2a plus 1, and this negative a can be written here equals to 44. Now solving further, if you look at this, you have 2a plus 1, 2a plus 1 common to both sides. You can factor that out. You have 2a plus 1 common, and outside the parentheses we are left with a plus 2b. So we have a plus 2b minus a equals to 44. And from here, the next thing to do is multiply this given equation also by 2 again. So here we're going to have 2 into bracket 2a plus 1. We have a plus 2b minus 2 times a, which is 2a, equals to 88. So here, subtract 1 from both sides. So from this given equation, we can write this as saying 2 into parentheses 2a plus 1, a plus 2b minus 2a minus 1. And on the right hand side, you're going to have 87. So writing this given equation, you can have 2 into parentheses 2a plus 1, a plus 2b. Looking at this, let's factor out negative sign. In the parentheses, you're going to have 2a plus 1 equals to 87. Now, from here, 2a plus 1 is common. So we're going to factor that out in the next slide. So here, we factor out 2a plus 1, and you're going to be left with 2 into parentheses a plus 2b minus 1, which is equals to 87. By distributing this, here you have 2a plus 1, 2 multiplied by a, we have 2a plus 4b minus 1, which is equals to 87. Now, I want you to recall something. Here we have that a and b are positive integers. So from here, that is, we have our a to be greater than 0, and also we have b to be greater than 0. Now let's look at the factors of 87. We have 87. What are the possible two factors of 87? The first case, you can have 1 times 87, which gives 87. The second case is for us to have 87 times 1. The third case is for us to have 3 times 29. And the fourth case is for us to have 29 times 3. Now let's look at these 4 cases. Which of these is more appropriate? If you look at this, this given equation here, this shows that this expression, for us to have 87, must be less than this expression, since both A and B are positive. So in that case, for us to have the first to be less than the second, we have this case number 1, and also we have this case number 2, where 3 is less than 29. So these are the 2 cases we're going to work with. Now, I'm going to start with case 1. Case 1 is when we have 1 times 87. So this given equation is going to be 2a plus 1. We have 2a plus 4b minus 1 equals to 1 times 87. Now, this shows that here you're going to have 2a plus 1 equals to 1, and you have 2a plus 4b minus 1 equals to 87. So from here, simplifying further, here we have 2a equals to 1 minus 1, which is 2a equals to 0. This implies that a is equals to 0. And in the second case here, we're going to have 2 into parentheses 0, since a equals to 0, plus 4b minus 1 equals to 87. So this is going to be 0. So here we have 4b equals to 87 plus 1. So here we have 4b equals to 88. And finally, we have b to be 88 over 4, which is 22. So in this case, we have the two values for a and b is going to be 0, 22. You can confirm this by plugging in these values into this given equation. If a is 0, then this is going to be 0. And when you plug in b to be 22 into this given equation, you're going to have 87. Now, let's consider case number 2. For case number 2, we're going to rewrite the same given equation, which is 2a plus 1, 2a plus 4b minus 1 equals to 87. So that case, we have 3 times 29. So I'm going to do the same. Here we have 2a plus 1, 2a plus 4b minus 1 equals to 3 times 29. So that is, for the first condition here, we have 2a plus 1 equals to 3. We have 2a plus 4b minus 1 equals to 29. So here we have 2a equals to 3 minus 1. 2a equals to 2. Dividing both sides by 2, here we have a to be equals to 1. While here we have 2, since a equals to 1, in parentheses we have 1, plus 4b minus 1 equals to 29. So here we have 4b plus 2 minus 1 equals to 29. Here we have 4b plus 1 equals to 29. So 4b is going to be 28. Dividing both sides by 4, we have b to be equals to 7. So for the first case, we have 0, 22, and for the second case, we have 1, 7. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you have another suggestion to solve this question, kindly put it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.